Good morning, my dear IT audit students. How are you? Assalamu alaikum. So this is the continuation of last class video. So I want to share you today the chapter of before class. Okay. So this is our IT audit and control. Then we finished before up to this one. Okay, this is more important question for you about audit risk model. Okay, more important question. So audit risk will be given: inherent risk, control risk, detection risk. Okay, so this is more important problem for midterm and final exam. Then the structure of IT audit. The structure of IT audit, it is very important thing. IT audit, auditing planning. Before auditor can determine the nature and extend the test to perform. He or she must gain through the understanding how to do IT audit. Okay, that is very important. For example, transaction processing is automated. If you go to Bank Muscat, if you go to Alphos, the transaction processing is autonomous, that is automated. Automatically they are doing. Okay. For example, entry of each barcode of the items, it will be stored in the database. After that, it will be stored in the sales order processing. It is stored in the invoice. Okay. So the documents are journals, ledger, trial balance, everything is based on the relational database management system. So it is going to be audited by the auditors. You know already different kind of auditing: external audit, internal audit, fraud audit. So IT audit is a examination and evaluation of IT infrastructure, policies and procedures. Okay, you have the definitions like policies and procedures are operations, IT infrastructures. Okay, so what is this diagram? This more important diagram for final examination and midterm. Auditing, planning, test of control phase, substantive testing phase. So what you have to do with first one? Review organizations, policies, procedures, practice and structures. Review general control, application controls. General control and application control. What is app? What are the different apps they are using, applications they are using? Sales order processing, invoice processing, marketing processings, and other kind of softwares. Whatever softwares they have, you have to audit it. Plan the test control. You have to write the testing procedures, how to test the system. So after that, perform test of controls. Perform test of controls is more important thing. Okay, so that is the thing with how we can do with different kind of operations, right? So here is more important thing. What are the different kind of activities? So the next thing about evaluate the test results, determine the degree of reliance on the control and performance of substantive test and evaluating the results. So these things are more important topics of the important topics of just a minute. I can stop the screen. So this is the important thing. So for example, if you are going to audit Oman LNG, what are the different softwares? Then you have to write the test cases, how to test those softwares, So for testing, you need a data. Without data, you cannot test any software. We need a data. Okay. We need the each and every operations of the system. You need system flow diagram. You need to check data flow diagram. You need to check the ER diagrams. You need to check the program code. Okay. So you may ask the questions how we can check it, how to find the errors. You know already the C++ and other small programs. You know how to test the program. It has any error. For example, before, you know, control risk. In the control risk, this is the control risk. The control structure is flawed. Flawed means the error. Some problems are existing. What is the problem? For example, 10 units, that means 10 water bottle or 10 bread or 10 oil, any items which are available in the factory or in the company or in the organization. Each has unit price 20 real. So what is the overall total should be coming? The overall total should be 200 real. But the system shows it is 2000 real. That is what a fraud is, a control flow. Something happening in the system wrongly. That is a simple example about. So performance of substantive test. Evaluate the results. Issues auditor's report. As our previous video, I said you about two types in the auditing. Two important things you have to do in your IT audit report. First thing is audit objectives. What is IT audit objective? For example, if you are audit Oman LNG, so I am going to audit financial department of Oman LNG, sales order processing or trial balance processing or ledger processing or journal processing, like that. This is the objective. Next, IT audit procedures. The procedures are the way of you are going to audit the particular software or particular lab or particular company. That is, evaluate results and issues audit report. Audit report should be as a hard copy. You know, before you studied system analysis and design, before you studied decision support system. Okay, this is a 4th level course, IT audit and control. These diagrams, you know what is the meaning of each and every diagram. Okay, so finally the hard copy is going to be produced by the auditor. That's why we called with this diagram. Okay, hope you understand the sequence of processing. Okay, so next it will be the tool. Which tool we are using in our IT audit as per the computer tool is concerned. We are going to use IT environment. Data need to perform the substantive test like the accounts, balance, then individual customers, then the data and other things. This is a huge and difficult process. So those processes are going to be consistent with computer aided audit tools and technique. This is an important question for final exam and midterm. Expand CAATT, computer assisted audit tools and technique. Okay, who proposed this one? It was proposed in 2002 by COSO, that is Committee of Sponsoring Organization. What they have done it before, actually these things are mainly based on PDC model. That is, what is PDC? This is a predictive control, detective control, corrective control. If you have any kind of organization, the basic 3 things are needed: predictive, detective and corrective control. Why we are auditing the particular company, factory or organization or any universities like that? We are going to improve the performance. We are not going to, those organizations going to be fall down. We have to improve up. That's the important principle of the auditing. So safeguard assets of the firm. Safeguard the asset of the firm. Ensure the accuracy and reliability of the accounting record and information. To promote efficiency in the firm's operation. Firms means the organization, company, or any kind of institutions. To ensure the compliance with management's prescribed policies and procedures. So PDC is an important term like predictive, detective, and corrective actions. Okay. So definitions are given. Just read it. You can easily understand. Another detective control here is a very simple example like the same previous example. 10 unit, that is quantity, the number of items to be available or available already or to be given to another person. So $10 each or 10 Omani Riyal. So it should be a 100 Riyal, but system shows the 1000 Riyal. Before processing this transaction, posting the account, detective control should recalculate the total value using price and unity, that is the quantity, unit price. Thus, the error above could be detected. Corrective. If the error is detected, what are the different corrective actions are going to be taken? That is corrective. Okay. Then you have COSO, that is called Committee of Sponsoring Organization. The Committee of Sponsoring Organization has the 5 different components. Corrective control, that is corrective environment, risk assessment, information and communication, monitoring and control activities. So control environment. So what is the control environment? It has integrity and ethical value of the management organization chart and the structure of the organization. So these things are more important. Okay. So management philosophy, risk assessment, identify and analyze and manage the risk. What is the risk? Tomorrow Kimchi's will be closing. No more business. Already closed, in Sur. Okay. So why they closed? What is a preventive, corrective, detective and corrective. Okay. So preventive is more important. Okay. So what are the different changes are needed? What is the risk? Information and communication. Accounting information system consists of records method used to initiate, identify, analyze, and classify the record, the organization transaction of the account. Monitoring. You have to monitoring the complete system. Then control activities. Mainly the control activities of the IT has 2. Okay. IT control and physical control. Normally, any company, we have 2 type of things. IT control normally available, physical control available. Physical control relate to primarily to the human activities, human only controlling. Some of the things IT only controlling. What are the different IT control for making bill in Alphos or Kimchi's or any kind of hypermarket billing? Just barcode scanning, it will be giving invoice. That is controlled by IT. Who is doing the entry? Human. So human and the computers also is possible. These are all the different kind of the examples here. Order entry application, purchase application control, cash disbursement application control. Operating system we need, database management, system development and program change. Finally, you have the sales order processing, sales, complete sales. Inventory, Here is the applications and the significant accounts for the processing. So these are all the examples of the diagrams. What is the main purpose of IT audit? They discuss about the important things. So the IT audit, the context of the financial audit, however, this how it is more important for the internal auditors, how it will be going to be distinguished. So first, what is the purpose of IT audit? What is the purpose of IT audit? Examination and evaluation of IT infrastructure. So discuss about the internal auditor. What is the problem? How they differ from the other auditing? What is the difference between internal auditing and external auditing? Internal auditing, the auditors are auditing their company. External auditing, somebody will be coming to auditing your company. That is external auditing. Okay. So some of the questions are given here. What is preventive control, predictive control? So those things, some projects also given. If you have a time, you can do the project. Otherwise, I will give separate project in our Moodle. Now, I am going to explain you about the assignment. Okay, assignment. So assignment, I given you separately. How I given you separately? I given separate assignment for 10 mark. This is more important for you. Okay. Midterm 25 marks. The important questions I will give you. What is IT audit? Those questions are important. What is internal audit, external audit, fraud audit? Okay. What is CISA? Okay, those things in the chapters important. The questions are coming from the chapters important. This is from the both the practical point of view and the theoretical point of view. You have to write the complete assignment. In the assignment, first write an IT audit report for this one. So you take this hyperlink, put it in the where? In the browser, Firefox or Google Chrome. It will go to the particular hyperlink. There you have to identify, write an audit report. IT audit report has two parts. IT audit objective and procedure. Audit and procedure. In the chapter 1, first I given you example of Oman Air. Oman Air software or website, how you are going to audit. Okay. How many hyperlinks are working fine in the website? How many hyperlinks? You have to identify. Maybe 10 or 12 or 13 working fine. Some hyperlink not working. You have to find it. Then which software is developed? What kind of software they used? Maybe they used HTML, they may use DHTML or PHP or Oracle Forms they used, some integrations. Display the source code. You right click, then you can find the source code easily. Okay. Then identify faults, any fault, error, which are available in this website. Next, identify symbol name for the symbol. Symbol means system symbol. Okay. You already studied system analysis and design. What are the, you forgot something. That's why I'm giving the last page, all the system symbols. Okay. See the system symbols. Which symbol it is. Okay. What is the name of the symbol? For example, authorization form. What is the name of this symbol? This symbol is what? Hard copy. This is a hard copy. It's not a soft copy. You have to write by the hand. That is the meaning. After you write by the hand, you have to give to the system. Okay. Source document. That is the meaning here. For example, what is this? This is a processing. Everybody knows already. What is this symbol? Post payroll information. What is the name of the symbol? Post payroll information. Name of the symbol. Okay. Input output device. Input terminal input or output device. Okay. So this is a symbol is for terminal input. Payroll. What is this? Payroll information. Then this is a hard copy. Okay. Like that, you have to, what is this? Monthly payroll tax service update. What is the meaning of this symbol? What is the meaning? The meaning last available. Okay. Magnetic tape, sequential storage device. You have to write like this. Okay. This is a magnetic tape which is used. Finally, the system is going to be stored. So this assignment. Next, convert the system flow into draw. Program flow chart. You have to, you know what is program flow chart. In problem solving, you already studied. C++ you studied. Data structure you studied. Write simple program code, not a C++ program code. For example, customer start step 1, like algorithm. Okay. If you want, I can give as a program code or algorithm. No problem. Customer order. Customer order, soft copy or hard copy? This is hard copy. Input. Order, hard copy. Then send. What is the symbol? That's name of the symbol. The name of the symbol is, this is called, where is that symbol? Yeah, here. File for storing source document and report. Name of the symbol. This is already you studied in system analysis design and MIS, because you are IS students, you know better. Okay. So here you have to write what is this. Okay. Next, write audit report for Oman Air. Same questions. Answer these questions. For Oman Air, Bank Muscat. Next, convert the system flow into flowchart, simple flowchart, and write a small code like step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, for example, step 1, customer. Step 2, order the food. Step 3, go to the kitchen. Inventory. Okay, order. These things already studied in system analysis and design, decision support system. Now you are using here. Convert the same thing. Okay. Next, write. Suppose if you this also identify the symbols also, so okay, no problem. Okay. Then write as for this is one of the bank, MUZIN. Okay. Then this is another National Bank of Oman. If you use this hyperlink and explain, very simple. Identify the symbol for the following flowchart. The symbols are given. Study these symbols and answer the above questions and write the IT audit report for other things, other kind of National Bank of Oman and Bank Muscat. Okay, you understand? This is 10-mark question. Okay, so the chapters 1 is finished. Chapter 1 is finished. You have any problem further, you cannot understand anything, just send me message in the Moodle or in the email or in the WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you, Sukran. Bye.